Well, absolutely. There are set rules for moving around in the Gir sanctuary, as it happens in any other national park or sanctuary. And it's clear that Ravindra Jadeja has violated and flouted those norms in getting down from the vehicle, safari vehicle, and getting himself pictured behind, from in front of a pride of lions. Now, it's almost 15 odd lions sitting there, and it's a very dangerous thing for Mr. Jadeja to have done this, along with his wife. He has just got married about a couple of months back, and this was possibly his first visit to Gir Sanctuary, which happens to be just 100 odd kilometers from his hometown, Jamnagar. And Forest Department has taken serious note of it. In fact, the safari, when it starts in the morning in a group of, say, 5 or 4 vehicles, every group is actually accompanied by a forest guard. So it seems that there has been a laxity on the part of those accompanying forest guards also.
Yes, that's what I was going to ask you. Was there an exception made for Ravindra Jadeja? I mean, while we also blame the cricketer for kind of taking this kind of a risk to his life, there is perhaps a laxity, like you pointed out, or rather an exception being made for the cricketer because of his stature, because of his celebrity status, you think?
Exactly. So it seems that those forest guards were got little awed by the celebrity value of their guest and allowed this thing to happen. So obviously the senior forest administration office has taken note of it. In fact, we are told that the conservator of the Gir Sanctuary, Sandeep Kumar, has ordered an inquiry. In fact, he has himself gone to visit the site, and we have to just wait for a while before exact details come out of the incident as to how this thing happened, whose initiative was this, whether Mr. Jadeja went down from the vehicle and the forest guards did they object, or they really did not object with the kind of authority and force that they should have. All those details would come out once this inquiry is over. But yes, it's a serious incident from inside the Gir Sanctuary.